Hey everyone, welcome to the Banshee Moon channel. Thanks so much for watching the videos. If you like them, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel. That way you can see all the good stuff we have coming out. And if you leave a comment in the comment section below, I can respond.
They shouldn't be coming up the stairs.
Yeah.
Dang birds. Dang.
Chase
Go
them
on,
down.
you dang chicken birds. This is really funny.
They don't really slide.
Huh?
They don't really slide.
Oh.
Dang chickens.
It's not every day you go roller skating on your deck and you see the dang chicken birds.
Hey Bob,
Go on, you dang chicken birds.
you can go back downstairs, guys.
Go on, you dang rooster.
He's a good looking rooster.
Yeah, I'm a good looking rooster.
You are.
You've got yourself a nice, what else do they call roosters? Go on, you dang chicken birds. That is a rooster tail. He's chasing his hens. He's telling them, don't ever go up there. Not safe. Crazy people up there.